English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B2, damp, endangered, fatal. Damp. Damp is an adjective. B2 learners usually know damp. Damp describes something that is a little wet. Here are some examples. He sat down on the damp garden seat. The grass is damp when we wake up in the mornings. Her hair was damp and untidy after walking home in the rain. Endangered. Endangered is an adjective. B2 learners usually know endangered. Endangered describes an animal or species in danger of extinction. Here are some examples. There are laws to protect endangered species. That tree has been placed on a list of endangered species. By the time an animal is recognized as endangered, it may be too late. Fatal. Fatal is an adjective. B2 learners usually know fatal. Fatal means causing death. Here are some examples. He had a fatal accident. The snake's venom is rarely fatal for humans. Freezing cold and wind can be fatal for young plants. Now write some of your own sentences with damp, endangered and fatal. Download the free B2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.